यार तुमने देखा iTunes में हमारी कंपनी का नाम वेल्ले है. ये मतलब हद होती है. It's one thing when your wife and family and in-laws think about you like that. तुम खुद का नाम वेल्ले कौन रखता है यार? मतलब that was such a demeaning
Our
thing.
logo is Vele. But
No, I showed you.
There's
It
this
said
company called.
It said copyright of Velle. I showed you what it said.
Okay,
Copyright.
Vele se there's a worse name. There's a very big company that gives like domains and shit for like companies and stuff.
GoDaddy.
They are unka naam hai GoDaddy.
Yeah. They're very popular in the UK.
I mean, I'll tell you this: Vele is much better than GoDaddy.
No.
Kevin तेरा दिमाग
वो
गंदा
अमीर है.
That's why you have a problem with GoDaddy.
First of all वो
If
अमीर
they
है.
make
and
money,
secondly,
nothing is ridiculous for them.
yeah. First of all वो अमीर है और second they are able to क्या कहते हैं that उस name के तुम different connotations कर सकते हो. Anybody who knows the Hindi language will hear Vele and go कि अच्छा सही में. There is no other meaning. There is no like कोई
Be
different
Vele
language
and
में
proud,
नहीं.
Amrit. Be Vele and proud. But anyway, let's stop talking about company names.
Don't tell me that.
Vele and
Don't tell me
proud,
that they
yeah, I
didn't
like
have
it.
anything dirty in their mind.
भाई सब
Anyway,
same time पे
let's stop talking about this. Amrit, Man United. Would you care to talk
I
about
would
that
like to say
abysmal
कि
performance?
just because our goalkeeper does not know how to kick penalty kicks does not mean that our team is not the best team in Europe. And as now that we have won the Champions League also, I would like to say कि हमारी best team है. I am delusional, yes.
The yellow submarines crashed into
अबे
them.
हमारी पहुंच तो गई ना, तुम्हारी तो गाड़ी भी नहीं पहुंची वहां तक. तू क्या बोल रहा है?
Yeah, Kevin, your car didn't
We
even
won a
reach
trophy.
the
We
Europa
won a
League.
You won a
trophy, okay.
trophy. क्या कोपा डेल रे जीता है? अबे ये जो भीख जो
Yeah, we won
जो
Copa del Rey,
भीख
okay.
में प्लेट मिलती है उसको उसके नाम से कोई बाहर नहीं घूमता. जो कोपा डेल रे जीते हैं.
We won
और
a
तुमने
trophy.
सुना है
Okay.
इसके लपोटा पपोटा जो इनका प्रेसिडेंट है उसने क्या बोला? कहता मेसी के साथ डील तो है पर किसी ने साइन नहीं करी अभी तक. तो तू बकवास मत कर, ठीक है? हमारा डेविड
I wanted to leave. मैं तो बोल रहा कि वो मेसी निकलना
हमको दे
चाहिए.
दो, हमारे पास
Aren't
प्लेयर
you
नहीं है.
guys Chelsea and Man United are after that
Why would he
goalkeeper?
go-
That AC Milan goalkeeper? What's his name? Donnarumma.
डोनारुमा.
Yeah.
डोनारुमा.
Yeah.
रुक जा, हम
He's a free agent,
Yeah,
by the
Chelsea
way.
and Man United are after him.
इसलिए गलती होती है. फुटबॉल की बात करने लग जाते हो तुम सब हर बात पे. हमारे
But-
कंज्यूमर क्या सोचेंगे?
Man United,
वैसे
I'm happy.
Amrit, what do you feel?
I'm happy Man United lost.
How do
but
you
I'm
feel
going to
after
be
your team got crashed out?
When
of
I
Champions
found out,
League?
I was like, क्या यार, आज ढंग से प्रेशर नहीं आया. And then I went on with my day. But yeah,
I'm happy
That
Man
is what I
United
felt.
lost. But
I see
I'm
that you're
also
wearing your jersey.
scared of
At
today.
least you're a true United supporter.
I am a जो लॉन्ड्री में जो बाहर रखा जाता है वो कपड़े पहनने वाला सपोर्टर. तो अबे मेरी बिल्डिंग में ना एक जवान लड़का है. आई थिंक वो तुम में से किसी के क्लब्स का सपोर्टर होगा. हाँ मैं तो रहा था. इसके बाद हम एक्चुअल चीजों पे जा सकते. तो परसों ये सुबह सुबह जब मैं मॉम डैड के लिए वेजिटेबल जूस उठा के वापस आया, लिफ्ट में बंदा घुसा एंड ही जस्ट लुक्ड एट मी. मैं जानता भी नहीं इसको, ये क्यों घूर रहा है. फिर मैंने देखा कि उसने क्या पहन रखा है. तो आई थिंक इसने तुम्हारी सैमसंग वाली पहन रखी थी. तुम्हारी आई थिंक आकाश की है. आकाश की आई थिंक
They're no longer Samsung.
who has a white jersey with Samsung written on them.
There's
And
no Samsung in Chelsea anymore.
कुछ व्हाइट
Yoko.
कलर की वो. तो वो बंदा मुझे ऐसे उन्होंने कहा ओ अच्छा इसके दिमाग में चल रहा होगा भैया आपकी टीम तो हार गई. आपको रिएक्शन भी दिखा. I realized I wear a lot of United merchandise. I shouldn't. At least 4-5 महीने तक जब तक हम वापस कुछ हो नहीं जाते and few more people don't get fired.
That's more
उसके
than
बाद
4-5
I-
months. That's more than 4-5 months.
Okay then 5-6
Yeah.
years. 5-6 साल
Yeah.
बाद again I'll start wearing clothes.
Exactly.
वो तुमको याद है? I was thinking of jerseys. याद है जब मैं
You might have to bring
कैंपस
Ferguson back.
में मैं जब रोनाल्डो की जर्सी पहन के चल रहा था एंड एक रैंडम अंग्रेज ने मुझे देखकर क्या बोला था, ओ रोनाल्डो यू पुट ऑन वेट. उसके बाद जो भाई रोनाल्डो यू गॉट फैट, उसने कैसे कुछ बोला था भाई.
I remember that. Oh my
जो
God.
दिल में लगी थी ना भाई, उसके बाद ही लगता है मेरी आधी यूनाइटेड सपोर्ट गया. वो मैं पोर्चुगल की जर्सी पहन के जा रहा था यार. उसका क्या जा रहा
Yeah, it was Portugal. Ronaldo, what a ass. But that making fun of Amrit from Man United didn't work because Amrit made fun of himself and Man United as well. So very good. Anyway, welcome guys to the.
हमारी उम्र पे मजाक अपने आप ही उड़ जाता है.
Mm-hmm. Anyway, let's carry on with the podcast. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Vele podcast. As you may already know, this is the podcast where four friends gather around to talk about different topics.
Kevin is making out with them. Kevin is making out with the mic and Arnav rusk खा रहा है. I'm just
I am
saying.
your host Akash, and as usual, I'm joined by
No, I'm actually playing Peekaboo, by the way.
my
Abe,
mentally
Peekaboo, you
challenged
cannot play
friends.
Peekaboo if I can see you both times. Peekaboo में होता है एक बार I can't see you and when अबे इतनी बड़ी दाढ़ी और तेरा गंजा सर ऊपर से दिख रहा है. I can see both times. That is
My
not
mentally
Peekaboo.
challenged friends Kevin, Arnav, and Amrit.
Hi Akash.
What up?
Hi Akash. आकाश आज रात को तेरी टीम का फाइनल है ना. मैं
Yeah.
दिल से चाहता हूँ
I'm
कि वो
so
हारे.
scared. I'm so
मैं
scared if
दिल
they
से
lose.
चाहता हूँ वो हारे कि केविन सो भी जाए ना और तुम दोनों भी चले जाओ. मैं ये मैच लाइव देखने वाला हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड वर्क. आई एम गोइंग टू बी देयर टू वॉच इट गो बैड. आई डोंट केयर. जो चाहते हो तुम हारो. लाइक समबडी वाज टेलिंग, कोई डिस्कशन और फोरम्स वगैरह में लोग बोल रहे थे कि सिटी जीते तो और ज्यादा वो है. मैंने कहा चल बे चेल्सी. माय प्रॉब्लम इज चेल्सी. सिटी को जितना जीतना है जीतने दो. चेल्सी कांट विन.
Anyway, let's talk. Let's stop the talking about sports. We have a lot to talk about on this episode anyway. Let's start off with India's new privacy laws, which has caused some commotion in the country. Amrit, can you summarize the privacy laws that India is changing for all?
देखिए अब हम एक नॉन पॉलिटिकल पॉडकास्ट बन चुके हैं तो
Exactly.
हम अभी
We
क्योंकि
love all political sides.
या हम सबकी टीम में हैं. बट बात ये है.
I don't agree
I
with
knew
this.
चुप रहे.
you'd say. I knew you'd say.
अभी जिसके हाथ में माइक है उनको बात करने दे. चुप. तो for the time being, let us just know कि रूल का
I have my fist up in the air
Both.
and I oppose this
अगर
statement that
अगर
you're
हम
saying.
अभी क्या ऑडियो पे नहीं होता, आई टेल यू व्हाट टू डू विद दैट फिस्ट. बट बेसिक
Amrit, summarize.
Kinky.
तो हुआ क्या था. ये इंडिया में कोई मेन कोई डेटा प्राइवेसी लॉ नहीं था. राइट टू प्राइवेसी के बारे में जब भी डिबेट आती है तो लोगों को होता है कि यार हमारा डेटा कौन देख सकता है, कितना देख सकता है. तो अभी जनवरी फरवरी में एक रूल निकला था जो गवर्नमेंट ने निकाला था. इसका नाम है इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी रूल्स 2021 ब्रैकेट में इंटरमीडिएट गाइडलाइंस एंड डिजिटल मीडिया एथिक्स कोड. तो इसमें प्रोज या कॉन्स जो है, बेसिक प्रोविजंस मैं पहले बता दूंगा. आपके लिए क्या प्रो है क्या कॉन है वो आप खुद ही डिसाइड करिए. बट नंबर वन जो चीज इसमें जो पॉजिटिव की जगह इसके सपोर्टर्स ने बोली है, बेसिकली ये रूल्स है जिससे सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. तो हमारे जो व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, फेसबुक, जो भी आप मेन सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, इन सबको बोला गया था सरकार से कि मई 25 तक आपको कंप्लायंस का एक रिपोर्ट भेजना है कि आप इंडिया में ऐसे कर रहे हैं. तो इसमें प्रोज या कॉन्स, लेट अस जस्ट लुक एट इट वेरी एग्जैक्टली. द पीपल हु से दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव रूल से कि इसमें बोला गया है कि नॉन कंसेंशुअल इंटीमेट पिक्चर्स को 24 घंटे के अंदर निकाल देना चाहिए. कि अगर आपके परमिशन के बिना कोई आपकी फोटो डाल रहा है उसे एक दिन के अंदर हटाना पड़ेगा. फिर आपको रेगुलरली एक डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन मैकेनिज्म बनाना पड़ेगा कंटेंट रिमूवल के लिए, कि आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि यार मैं ये कंटेंट इलीगली अपलोड करा गया है, इसको हटाओ. ये कुछ लोग इसका प्रो बोल रहे हैं. दैट्स द सेकंड प्रोविजन. थर्ड पॉजिटिव प्रोविजन इज कि कोई भी कंटेंट किसी भी सोशल मीडिया वेबसाइट पे है तो आपको ये बताना पड़ेगा कि ये किसने एडवर्टाइज किया, किसका ओन है और किस किसने इसमें एड्स के पैसे दिए हुए हैं. सो 3 बिगेस्ट प्रोज ऑफ दिस आईटी रोल जो रूल है उसको ये है कि आपको बिना परमिशन से इफ एनीबडी पुट्स अप योर फोटोज, नॉन कंसेंशुअल इमेजेस हैव टू बी टेकन डाउन इन 24 आवर्स. सेकेंड, देयर हैज टू बी अ मैकेनिज्म, अ डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन मैकेनिज्म. नॉन इंडियन है आप तो आपको इसका यूज ज्यादा समझ नहीं आएगा, बट लिटरली if somebody has any issues online, especially in the early days of the internet, there was no place you could go and argue. All social media platforms, as per this rule, will have to have a dispute resolution mechanism, basically an arbitration का system जिसके through आप बता सकते हैं कि this content is wrong. And third and final positive, if we, क्योंकि there are many buys and subclauses, कि आपको information किसी भी content मीडिया में, social media में हम बोलते हैं, you know, lot of content is passed around, WhatsApp में बहुत forwards आते हैं, आपको ये reveal करना पड़ेगा कि ये एडवर्टाइज्ड, ओन्ड, स्पॉन्सर्ड और कंट्रोल्ड किसके है और क्यों है. इज दिस प्रोपेगेंडा बेस्ड, किसी ने ये जानबूझ के आपको भेजा है, ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि लाइक दिस कंटेंट हैज बीन ऑल्टर्ड, इसमें इनका पैसा ऐसा हुआ है, ये आपको रिवील करना पड़ेगा. साउंड्स वेरी गुड बट दिस इज व्हाट इट इज ऑन पेपर. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेगेटिव जिसके ऊपर हर जगह लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, प्रोज या कॉन्स? दिस मे बी अ प्रो टू यू. द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज कि इट आस्क्स ऑल सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स की को जो मैसेज है, कि हर मैसेज के ओरिजिन का ट्रेस मांग रही है. दिस इज रीजन व्हाई व्हाट्सएप इज द वंस हु हैज टेकन देम टू कोर्ट. कि अगर कोई मैसेज मैं सोशल मीडिया में पढूं, who is the original person who wrote this message? Where has the traceability issue? This is very specifically an issue for a service like WhatsApp, because what do they preach themselves as? End-to-end encryption. Even if I may not understand the technicalities of how that works, what they have said in the court case is कि देखिए, हमारी सर्विस का बिगेस्ट थिंग ये है कि हम शुरुआत से एंड तक हमारा मटेरियल अनलेस फिजिकल फोन आपके हाथ में है और कोई इंक्लूडिंग अस कैन नॉट एक्सेस. बट गवर्नमेंट इज आस्किंग कि आप हमें वो एकदम ट्रेस करके बताओ कि ये ओरिजिनल मैसेज कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट किया हुआ था. नाउ इसमें इश्यूज क्या है क्या नहीं है, दैट आई विल लीव टू एवरीवन कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है. बट दीज आर द मेन प्रोज एंड द मेन कॉन्स. नथिंग बियॉन्ड दीज 4 points.
I think I like one more pro.
हाँ बता भाई.
I like one more pro where they have forced every social media company to have a data officer to specifically answer these queries. Now that's a requirement, whether
Yeah.
no matter what your scale is.
I think Facebook hired one
That I
for
really
India or
like.
Twitter. One of them just recently hired, definitely. They're all getting forced to hire one in India.
So yeah, that helps a lot. I mean,
तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
well, two reasons. Well, main reason is that now someone is accountable for it. Like their sole job is to make sure that the team is going to work on authenticating information and things like that. I think in US recently with the whole Donald Trump tweets and all that really helped a lot when they were saying that, like, you know, when they used to write like, okay, this information is incorrect or whatever it is. Like we also need some form of that to be very active in our social media, especially considering the fact that the amount of lies are said between politicians as well, like targeting each other groups or things like that, which actually causes more hatred in people. So I think you need some form of laws. But then, जो तू बोल रहा है WhatsApp का biggest problem ये जो है आ रहा है is I feel you also lose a little bit of freedom to speak up. Because you're scared that, like, you know, say, okay, so if I'm worried that, okay, the current government is against me, then at that situation I would be very scared to post anything, or not even post, even write a message, because I'd be always worried that what if they're going to like come after me.
Traceability is the whole issue.
So that is the
if they can trace it all the way back to you, then you don't know what they can do with that information against you. If they know who.
Otherwise, it should be very clear that there are certain things, that categories that these happen in. So now, like anything to do with that spreads hatred or potential sources of violence, like if I say anything like extremely violent against a group of people, that should be, because there should be categories made in that which possibly can get you in trouble. So like extremism, whether you like, you know.
But the advertisements thing, that already happens, right, on these social media platforms, like
because
sponsored
like
thing,
very specific ones पे होता है ना, but there are so many platforms, and how many of them actually enforce it? So it's like a binding data privacy rules. ये इंडिया में चल रहा है एक वो, तो
but
conversation has been happening ever since WhatsApp का वो update का पंगा नहीं हुआ था, जब signal करेंगे और सब वापस आ गए. तो तब
how do you guys think that, how can we isolate like politics from this rules essentially? Like, is there a way we can, like, say, like involve police officers, or like a special division of police like that works on
to
it,
handle
that's
cyber
independent of
crimes?
Exactly, like is independent of having to fall under the whole political agendas of different groups of people.
Even law and order is a state subject as per the constitution, so that does not exist. What you're talking about does not exist in India. Very short answer.
Exactly.
Very short answer is.
Yeah, I wish it would have been like, if there is a way.
No, but then that will
do that.
You understand what that means, right? India में सिर्फ एक institution है which is somewhat independent, which is considered the judiciary. Otherwise, there is no other institution in India which is independent. Especially police, तो फिर भूल ही जाओ. They have to be under central control, ना?
I mean,
to be honest, as long as something doesn't promote violence, I'm good. I don't care about misinformation. As long as it doesn't result in violence.
I mean, because all these things, there is no right answer. violence for you might be something else, for me might be something else.
It's open to interpretation.
Right? So मेरा इसमें biggest problem is because first of all I don't know, is it a criminal offense if I post something against someone, regardless if it's inciting violence or not? If I post something against someone,
yes,
will it become a criminal offense? Right?
आर्टिकल 19 के अंदर एक फंडामेंटल राइट का वायलेशन है कि अगर आप किसी के अगेंस्ट वो लाइबल या प्रिंट या वर्ड में कुछ वो बोलो, एंड इट कैन आल्सो बी इंटरप्रेटेड एज क्या कहते हैं inflammatory वो स्पीच के वजह से हेट क्राइम करना, यू कैन बी बुक्ड. सी द प्रॉब्लम इज अ लॉट ऑफ द लॉज व्हिच कैन कम इनटू प्ले. जैसे अभी आंध्र प्रदेश में अभी जो हुआ था, एमपी ने सरकार के अगेंस्ट कुछ बोला एंड उस पे सेडिशन का चार्ज डाल दिया. So that's the thing. Since these laws are open to interpretation, the fear people have is कि you may say कि अच्छा यार मैं तो बस उसके सर पे बॉल फेंक रहा हूँ. I can say तू उसके मुंह पे weapon of mass destruction फेंक रहा है. And I have power, so then my interpretation works.
So it's abuse of power, then basically.
Yeah, but it's still my having power, so I can use it that way.
Interpretations, yeah.
Because it is going to curtail the freedom of speech to a certain extent, right?
Yeah, it is.
So in that regard, obviously, it is a big negative because now your freedom of speech will be restricted because of fear, yeah, because of whatever regulations they are trying to put in. And specifically, even though they have asked all these companies to create a team of 2-3 लोगों को hire करने हैं सबको, who are basically going to act as an intermediate, right? So I think now it again depends कि वो जो लोग hire हुए हैं, there can be lot of bias, and I don't know, end of the day, is it decision making, is it in terms of court के हाथ में जाने वाली है, or is it the decision in hands of that officer who has been hired by that private company?
No, final thing will always go to court. But it's like you can, if I hold you under a certain charge, like UAPA जैसे law है, Unauthorized Activities Prevention Act or something जो है, जिसके अंदर if I arrest a journalist or someone, मैं तुम्हें indefinite time के लिए under certain laws I can keep you in jail. तुम्हारा कोर्ट बाद में होगा, ऊपर नीचे तुम भागते रहोगे. If you are
exactly the amount of
it's like I can stagnate your life. मैं तुम्हारी life रोक सकता हूँ.
Yeah, so इसलिए मुझे उसमें वो problem है कि now because even if I just express my opinion on some social media or WhatsApp or whatever it may be, it has repercussions now. I have to be extremely careful.
And it will play across.
Kevin
ने शुरुआत में बोला कि if he is in a position where if he may not be in the positive position with government in power, somebody else who is in support of it now, जब दूसरी government power में आती है, they will also be in trouble. It's not like, see, the thing would be कि nobody should have this much power in the first place. Anybody.
And forget about government. If I tomorrow write something about Akash, I mean, खैर वो इंडिया में नहीं है, but if we both are in India and if he files a complaint or something, even that will have its repercussions, right? Now it is technically they can
account based. I think the fear is that जब government involved होती है, then the repercussions are far more real. Now,
they have a lot of power, right? I mean, they can ruin your life
because they can invoke the IPC. No, आकाश को जाके केस रजिस्टर करवाना पड़ेगा एंड वो ट्विटर को यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन लिटरली से, जब वो कुणाल कामरा ने मिडिल फिंगर वगैरह दिखाई थी तो कोर्ट्स ने डायरेक्टली कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट का ऑर्डर डाला था. सी दैट्स व्हेन द लॉ गेट्स इन्वॉल्व्ड. नाउ दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई है तो देन ट्विटर क्या करेगा? सस्पेंड कर देगा 3 दिन के लिए अकाउंट. द प्रॉब्लम इज
even now my account is gone, right?
Yeah, it's a bad thing. Yeah, it's obviously it's a bad. I'm saying the scale of punishment is worse when the government gets involved.
I'm also worried like how if there is a way to keep the I know it's very far-fetched, but if there is a way to keep the politics out of it, like for example, like I always say about like one example of like how freedom to speech can be violated, and like, you know, just to suppress someone can be, like any person in power can do it, is Kanhaiya Kumar. All he said was freedom to speech and freedom from poverty, but he was put in jail for that. So that is essentially what I'm worried. Any government, any powerful person,
we have seen this.
They can decide the fate for you. That is very
this has happened since beginning of
it time. Really depends on how they write the law.
देखो power जिसके हाथ में
unfortunately
उनका interpretation चलेगा.
Whoever is, and ये तो what we are talking obviously in a political domain, right? I mean things are very different. वहाँ पे social media हो नहीं हो, या law हो या नहीं हो. For example, कन्हैया कुमार जो example दे रहा है, उस time ये सब नहीं था. Even then they can put him behind the bars. So वहाँ पे तो government का angle आते ही it's completely out of average person's
It's-
vote.
We are a country which has seen an emergency, so
It's
So
more of a
इसलिए-
wait and see, man. We have to see
Exactly.
how everything goes once this all passes. It was supposed to be passed in the 26th of May, right? Which as of now
It has
we're
been passed.
recording-
Except
pass
Twitter,
तो हो
everything
चुका
has.
है.
No,
everything-
like all the
everyone has
companies have to
agreed
meet
for it.
that. Yeah. So Facebook, I think, asked for extension, if I'm not wrong.
No,
No,
Facebook
no.
ने बोला कि certain things have to be figured out. Twitter and government are fighting tweet करके एक दूसरे से.
Twitter ने
Yeah,
बहुत बड़ा
Twitter-
statement निकाला है.
Twitter, yeah, I saw that.
Twitter and government are fighting tweet से, and WhatsApp took them to High Court. So अगर वहां से stay order मिलता है, then
But Koo
so
has
will
said
be
Koo has agreed to everything.
Google.
Koo has agreed. Koo.
No, Google has agreed. Koo का पता नहीं
I think
मुझे.
Koo, I think government ने बनाई थी, तो I think उन्होंने agreed to it.
No, because I was shocked कि companies will eventually. I'm curious to know कि उनका क्या कहना है और how, if they can actually propose some changes, right? Because end of the day, it has to be from both the sides. I'm not worried about if they're losing money. I care least about companies losing money. If they end of the
There
day,
is no deal. There is no deal where
They're already making way
Exactly.
too
there is no
much.
deal where the overall sense में they lose any money.
My
They'll be like,
only
"Oh."
concern is कि वो कितना freedom of speech को curtail कर सकता है. That's my only concern in this, and which is obviously a big deal because
Yeah.
now अपन तो गवर्नमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, which I am not worried about because average person in India is not fighting with government on every day. अपने को लगता है मीडिया में कि अरे we are all, but like even for example, if one of us is not against supporting the government, they are not fighting them on everyday basis. They have their own life to deal with, right?
No, absolutely not. Yeah.
We all support the government here anyway.
No, even if we
Yeah.
don't, it's
Yeah, for the record, हम यहाँ पे सब
Yes, my visa has to come through. Okay, I do.
Yeah, I don't know what Kevin is saying. मैं तो completely pro हूँ. मैं पहले से बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है, मुझे कोई दूर से
मेरे
कुछ
घर पे
बोलना
मत
है,
आना.
आकाश और मैं completely
Hey,
pro है.
Amrit, you're sitting in Kerala, dude. You really don't care what is going outside Kerala.
सही बात है. मैं थोड़ा मुझे knowledge नहीं है इन सब चीजों की. मैं तो कुछ भी
Let's
बोल
drop
देता
it
हूँ.
here. Remember that tweet where Modi tweeted, by unlucky boys for the cricket team, next time we'll get them. And then some guy said, अबे क्या कर रहा है चूतिया, काम कर.
Ban करवाएगा ये. ये
That is
लड़का
amazing. I really
No,
enjoyed
and
that
then he
ban
tweet.
said-
करवाएगा.
No, and then he said,
Is this guy
I
arrested
know,
or something
and then he
like that? I'm
tweeted,
pretty
please
sure he
don't come
should
over
be
to my
fine.
house. Please don't. I was like, hi.
This sounds like a tweet that I would
I
send
was
to
about to
Salman
say,
Khan or
this-
something. I wouldn't send
this
it
sounds
to.
like
Why?
I
Kevin.
wouldn't send it to like.
Why?
I wouldn't
Swear.
send it to Modi and get arrested or something.
He said,
नहीं,
please
अब
don't.
मुझे यहाँ पे यही प्रॉब्लम है. So now if people abuse someone online, forget about a minister, वो तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Even if I abuse someone online and someone files a complaint, is that post?
No, I don't think. See, it doesn't work that way.
मुझे
Maximum-
पता नहीं वहाँ पे
doesn't
वो
work
लाइन
that
कहाँ
way.
पे ड्रॉ करते हो.
Unless you threat him. Yes.
Yeah,
then it's a big
incitement to
difference.
violence is
अगर
okay.
तुम
But
लिखता है
Arnav,
कि-
whichever
I'm going to come
on-
and back
on
your
any
ass.
platform, if you
that is technically a
on
threat.
any platform, if you threaten somebody, that is
Which
that
happened-
can be held
yeah.
against
No,
you.
but
But
that's so
insulting
prevalent
somebody,
right
I
now.
think, happens daily on a platform.
Majority
Yeah,
of the
but
fights
that's
on
the thing.
Facebook are like that, or Twitter, or whichever platform.
But I don't think they can.
Look at Marcus Rashford's like last tweet. Like, okay, for those of you who don't know, he's a United player.
He played very well.
A very
He
good
played
guy.
very well for Europe.
Like, he's actually more than playing. His off-field
Amazing.
activities are amazing. He's probably one of the most down-to-earth and probably one of the best footballers off-field footballers I've ever seen. So this guy, his team loses a match, and people were threatening him and racially abusing him. So for those of you who don't know, Marcus Rashford is a African Englishman.
Afro-Caribbean,
Is that the right
Afro-Caribbean.
term?
Some people say.
Afro-Caribbean, yeah. So there were a lot of racial messages. Apparently, there were about 70 racial threats alone.
See, अब
against
क्या,
him.
for example,
So
luckily
this is-
he's not in India. But if कोई इंडिया में अगर ऐसा है, जैसे धोनी के टाइम पे, I think उनको
Arrest him.
Right.
I would say arrest
So-
him. There is no place for racism and hate. Arrest
So
him.
now यहाँ
Kevin,
पे
but that's the thing, na. You
यहाँ पे
said
now it's a very
arrest, but
fine
it is
line.
like it is 70, 15-year-olds who are sitting there and think it's funny to say it. Now, is it fair? Should they be scared? Absolutely. But should they I know, Kevin. I agree. There's no room for racism. I'm not saying.
I mean, they should get a warning at least.
See,
At the
like
end,
I said,
at
like-
No,
least,
so
very
वो उन्होंने
least.
इसमें है. So there is a mechanism जहाँ users का they will get the opportunity जहाँ पे उनको भी सुनने का they will have a chance to clarify themselves. It's not like complete blanket वो. At least paper पे है. अब कैसे implement करते हैं God knows. But at least paper पे
That's
वो
the-
वाला भी.
I think more than any of these other parts of it, it's the problem is कि इसका implementation किस तरीके से होगा, which as Akash
Yeah.
said is a wait and see thing.
Wait and see.
That's with every law in India. How are
No,
they going to execute
no,
it?
Arnav, जैसे okay, for example, India का insolvency and वो bankruptcy code जो है, उन्होंने बोल रखा है procedurally किस तरीके से they will go. कंपनी को अगर 30 दिन के बाद एनपीए किसी एसेट को डिक्लेयर किया है, फिर 2 महीने के बाद, 3 महीने के बाद, 12 महीने के बाद, 24 महीने के बाद, एवरीबडी हु वर्क्स इन अ कॉर्पोरेशन नोज एग्जैक्टली कि किस पॉइंट पे दैट एसेट विल बी मार्क्ड ऑफ और स्ट्राइक्ड ऑफ इन योर बैलेंस शीट. इसमें आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई सेड ना, आई कैन थ्रो अ कॉस्को एट आकाश एंड बी लाइक मैं तो बॉल मार रहा था उसे.
Costco for
उसका
our
ही-
listeners is a tennis ball.
अच्छा हाँ भाई ठीक है. But
Oh yeah, I was thinking of the
US supermarket.
Yeah, supermarket.
अबे कॉस्को से तुम
अरे I
No,
know, I know.
we've lived in US for too
Call
long.
it a tennis
You guys
ball.
lived in US for too long.
जी हाँ मेरे भाई कॉस्को क्या बोलते हैं. मैं ओके तेरे वहां जाके पूछ कॉस्को क्या होता है. बट या but if the interpretation of it by anybody in power inside one day is it, immediate repercussion can happen. And understand this, the provisions that people are actually scared about, forget governments in power and any of those things, UAPA was even used in Kerala by the तो it can be used by anyone. Dissent के against किस तरीके से आप stand करते हैं, it's used by everyone. And these are non-bailable offenses. And इनके लिए आप जब जेल में जाते हो, जब तक आपका ट्रायल आएगा यार, अब तो ये तो तुमने पिक्चरों में भी देखा है, लाख केसेस पड़े हैं, करोड़ केस पड़े हैं कोर्ट पे, तुम्हारी बारी कब तक आएगी, तुम्हारा टर्न कब
Do
तक
you
आएगा.
guys remember Blueberry? No, Blackberry. Sorry,
Blueberry.
the company Blackberry. They used to have. I forgot the
BBN.
name. So they used to
BBN.
have this messaging. Yeah, BBN Messenger. They let governments have access to that, right? Except
I
governments.
don't know actually about
I don't.
That was a similar concept. No? It was encrypted, completely encrypted. A lot of countries
That's the
opposed
difference.
it
WhatsApp
because there was a
yeah.
lot of terrorism.
WhatsApp is not allowing the
Terrorism
governments
things
to.
going on.
That was my dream
Yeah.
phone, पता है, even now.
Even now?
या मैं जब दीदी वहाँ पे,
It's a
जब
horrible
दीदी उस पे
phone.
काम करती थी तब भी मैंने मांगा था, but she bought it for my sister. I still hold it against her, but yeah. never
I
mind.
wanted it at the start of university, and then my cousin said, "You just get an iPhone; it's better." I
Yeah,
just got
same.
stuck with
I
iPhone.
didn't want to say that and appear completely privileged, but yeah.
Yeah,
So-
but still,
But my
this
dream
is our
phone
life.
was the other.
वो लॉस पढ़ रहा था, उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि if it's basically they can remove any content if it's against integrity of India, public order.
It's
उसमें
vague.
आ गया.
Integrity of India is very.
It's vague.
this is
It's
this
open
is
to
what I'm saying.
interpretation,
Na?
no?
We have
It is
it's a
my
wait and
intention.
This
see.
is exactly the
They
same
have kept
thing,
it like that for a reason.
guys. If you
Yeah,
remember, if you remember COVID time itself, when people from outside were commenting on the Indian, like the people
Rihanna
in
and all.
power or whatever officials or whatever taking care, the way the government reacted, that is exactly what I'm fearing.
Yep.
Like a lot of those people, what they wrote, other than the hatred, if there was 1 or 2 messages of hatred, that's expected. These are people again. But there were a lot of people who were like just pointing out the fact that these are the mistakes that are done. And they were like the government, like the people in power were completely
By-
against it. And that's where I
That
fear
is
that
that is
the
a
freedom
reality.
of speech
That is a
comes into
reality
big
of
question.
our country for the last 50 to 70 years. I think the problem is that we will always have to understand कि
No, I don't think it's 50 to 70
I can- I
years,
was going to give you an
Amrit,
example
because I
right
think
now.
it's the last 8 to 10
Kevin,
years. No, last 8 to 10 years, it's more.
Absolutely
no,
not.
last 8
मैं
to 10
proof
years.
से तुझे
it's-
बोलता हूँ कि
No, let me finish. Let me finish. Last 8 to 10 years, it is more evident because it's social media platform. Now everybody has a. That's what I was saying. Like it's more obvious in the last 8 to 10 years because of the
Yeah.
social
okay,
media.
and
platform.
definitely if
Otherwise,
if
yes,
you want to say
absolutely suppressing has been happening.
10 years में
before.
लास्ट 10 years में इंडिया में एक्चुअली ऐसा भयंकर हुआ ही नहीं है कंपेयर टू जो 70s 80s 90s में हुआ. We have had sitting people in power change a rule saying कि तुम मैं I am in power तुम मुझे लाइफ लॉन्ग कभी जेल में नहीं डाल सकते.
Correct.
That is then they passed a
Correct.
national emergency for a few years saying कि forget कि मेरे खिलाफ country cannot work. 9 opposition governments are sacked. लाइक सरकार हटा दी, इवन इफ यू लाइक अभी जो लोग चिल्ला के खुश हो रहे हैं कि 4 गवर्नमेंट हमारी जीत गई, देखो तुम हार गए, इमेजिन अगले दिन somebody comes and says yeah you are no longer in power, मैं president's rule डाल रहा हूँ. Like that has happened. So first of all you're correct, absolutely correct. Social media has made it more vocal, but that's why I said our discussion should focus on ki, see, situations are never as bad as we think they are. They will be bad on some people. Whoever faces the repercussions of this is going to have a bad time, definitely. But legislation like this, because जो मैंने अभी example दिया है, that legislation then spiraled a certain amount of things जिसके repercussions अभी हम देख रहे हैं. उन्होंने emergency करी, led to the formation and the rise of the जनता पार्टी. And अगर तुम्हें इंडियन हिस्ट्री पता है तो लास्ट 25-30 साल में उसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान
I think the most important thing is people should learn where to draw the line. So now it is okay to say that the leaders of India have failed in COVID. That is fine, absolutely fine. Now, if you're going to personally tweet things that are like completely insulting, like I saw a couple of other things like very extremely bad against the PM of the country. That I don't agree, because that's violence. So that is where I draw the line. You can definitely point out that these are the wrong things that they have done, but you cannot say that. You cannot just say that they deserve something horrible to happen.
Criticism, constructive criticism is fine. Personally,
that's not civil discourse. That's extreme.
That's your perception. Drawing the line, सबका मेरा अलग हो सकता है drawing the line.
Yeah.
So how can you say कि, and I know अपन चारों के लिए maybe same चीज है कि you cannot incite violence. We four might be on the same page in that regard.
Have a discussion.
That doesn't work, na Kevin, and that's why this is the problem.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
Problem we are dealing with right now is this. जो बात तब सही थी, जो इंडिपेंडेंस पे, इंडिया की इंडिपेंडेंस के टाइम जो प्रॉब्लम्स हुई थी, वो क्यों थी? कि लोग एक साथ बैठ के बात नहीं करते थे क्या? जम्मू एंड कश्मीर आज वैसा क्यों है? What is this thing called Pak occupied Kashmir? It's simply because कि हम एक दूसरे से और एक हद तक people run on emotions. People run on कि like in this moment this is what I think is right, so this is what should happen. How all of these actions work, like if you look at the years past, that's why I always say first of all very important for any Indian who wants to get involved in any of these process, and non-Indians also जो UK के हैं, so they should have a functional understanding of India में ऐसा हुआ क्या है, because then it will remove a lot of the emotion and anger from it. Secondly, ऐसा जब भी लॉ आता है, अगर ये बहुत कुछ गलत होगा, इससे ये अपने पैर पे लात मारने वाली बात ही हो जाएगी, because it will incite more. Last year के जो CA protest वगैरह जैसे थे, for example, have been benchmarks that have been used by governments who have won local elections, by the way. That have been used, that topic has been used in all elections that have happened here. So ऐसा नहीं है कि जनता बेवकूफ है. Social media पे अगर बुरा है तो लोगों को दूसरी चीजें भी दिखती हैं. So there are two sides of it. Like
तो मुझे लगता है कि इसलिए I'm never, जैसे ये अगर ये पास हो गया, कोर्ट ने इसलिए नहीं डाला, and eventually it goes through. The good part is every government will have to face it. Right now, current government अगर अभी power में है,
that was my first point.
Other side.
Yeah,
that was my first point. That was my first point. कि like I don't care कि इस government को मिले, किसी और को मिले, किसी को भी मिले. I can show you every government used draconian laws. That's why I said I don't want that power in anyone's hand to that extent. कि यार लोग बोल रहे हैं.
I am glad कि ये कोर्ट में गया है, so at least
yeah, that's why you shouldn't have.
They can at least.
जब बंगाल में 90s में कोई बलवंत सिंह का किसी केस हुआ था कि आप इंडिया के अगेंस्ट एडिशन करने के लिए, उसने एक थिएटर में पीछे खड़े होकर चिल्लाया था खालिस्तान के बारे में कुछ. तो when it went to court, जज ने, इमोशनल इशू है ऑब्वियसली, लाइक पीपल ने कहा कि हाउ आर वी, आप इंडिया की सेपरेशन के बारे में कैसे बोल सकते हैं ऐसे, हाउ डेयर यू. जज ने बोला कि डेमोक्रेसी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि ये बोल पाए, as long as he does not incite violence. इसने थिएटर में ये बोला, दूसरे लोगों ने सुना और लोग अपने घर चले गए. तो he did not get a reaction, and that was
now if he picks up arms, that is a very big
call
difference.
to arms and does something else back then. 90s की बात है, if it is 80s 90s की बात है, और वो करते, then okay, then that's an issue, then we can talk about it. So and I think that is a judgment जो हम जब all emotions डाल, यार we cannot say कि हम emotional नहीं है, we are human beings. Emotion नहीं होता तो हम जिंदा नहीं होते. I don't think वो आता है अपने आप. But जब हम ऐसा कोई decision ले, जब हम judge करने बोले, I hopefully either party will understand कि this can backfire very easily. बहुत आसानी से backfire कर सकता है.
Yeah, but
because अगर traceability provision है, so people can even apply under the Right to Information Act. कि अच्छा ठीक है आपने इनको ट्रेस कर दिया, कैन यू ट्रेस दिस अदर पर्सन आल्सो, स्पेशली अगर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर है। आरटीआई 2005 ये ताकत देता है कि आप ये पूछ सकते हैं कि किसी भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर वो अगर दिस इज लीगली ब्रॉट अंडर द गवर्नमेंट एम्बिट सम वे और द अदर, आप वो
Kevin
कर
is
सकते हैं।
right though for me.
मुझे वो
Discussion-
पॉइंट अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली अमृत. Now people can if really want to find out कि ट्रेसेबिलिटी क्या है बहुत सारी चीजों की.
See, traceability अगर बहुत सारी चीजों की किस तरीके से चलेगी किसको पता, if somebody can throw in RTI here because मेरा freedom of
Yeah.
there
I
is a
agree.
right to information has been inferred by the Supreme Court under fundamental rights as well if I'm not
Hmm.
wrong. So that means कि मैं जाके पूछ सकता हूँ कि मेरा हक है, अगर गवर्नमेंट शुरुआत में लॉ में मैं लिखे मैं बोलूंगा ठीक है, तो as individual citizens or organizations or pressure groups should have the
But
power
उसमें भी
to also
clause है
say
ना.
that you don't
I mean, ITI में it's not a blanket thing. Lots of things
No,
government
it's
cannot
exactly
reveal.
उसमें है कि it has to be something that's already in the public domain और एक information officer होता है जो usually होता नहीं है, and उसमें भी काफी time लग सकता है, but RTI still is one of the things that work somewhat faster. I think is the right to information itself has been demarcated in an interpretation of freedom of expression या right to dignity, उनमें से किसी एक में से 19 या 21 में से किसी एक के अंदर it has been said. तो that's my point, like people have been using these laws. One of the reasons why ye court mein already problem hai, they are saying that information technology ministry does not have the power to first of all say this law in the first place, because this should have been a law that comes under क्या कहते हैं information and broadcasting ministry. So there is a provision which says कि this laws can be ultra vires, which means this is beyond the scope. तो वो आर्गुमेंट ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुका है कोर्ट में कि ये तो लॉ ही इनके उसमें तो दैट्स माय थिंग ना.
RTI
भाई देयर आर पीपल,
RTI works for everything.
this force works on
RTI works for everything except RTI works for everything except politician funding दिखाने के.
भाई वो तो आकाश अगले
Kevin,
टॉपिक पे
forget
इससे पहले ये
politician.
No,
I
but
wasn't
Kevin-
specific. I wasn't specific in anything.
Kevin-
Okay? I didn't say anyone's name. I didn't say
आकाश
anything. Any
अगले
politician.
टॉपिक
Kevin was right.
I just said
Kevin was right.
politician.
Abhi-
Discussions. If we could all just have discussions like on good channels like Republic One with Arnab Goswami,
You know?
just talk in
Oh,
civil
screw you,
manners.
Akash.
There, we'll all get everything solved. So it doesn't matter, Kevin.
but actually India's best channel is राज्यसभा टीवी, तो वही देखो. But yeah,
सही बात है.
Moving from one thing
उसमें
about India,
वो
let's move
सिर्फ
on.
न्यूज बताते हैं भाई, वो सिर्फ न्यूज बताते हैं और वो कुछ नहीं लड़ते. दे डोंट आर्ग्यू एट ऑल. लाइक इवन द एंग्री अंकल्स हु कम देयर वो भी इतनी तमीज से बोलते हैं सारे हार्डकोर इश्यूज तुम्हें जिस पे बात करनी है, ट्रिपल तलाक, कोई लव जिहाद, हर इशू के बारे में वो ऐसे तमीज से बात करें समझ नहीं आएगा कि अपने देशवासी हैं. But yeah.
One here that's been trending is WeOn News or something like that. Indian news channel.
That's also
I have no idea,
pro-government channel.
but a lot of
I
people
mean,
have gone.
कौन सा channel?
That's also
WeOn, WION.
that's a Second Republic TV.
ना भी नहीं है साले.
No idea. But
I didn't know.
moving from one topic to the
I
other.
actually prefer.
Kevin.
Sorry, I
No,
was going to say last thing, Akash. I kind of prefer some of the online article, like online news channels,
Like?
rather than the TV ones, because I feel they're a little bit more neutral in some way. Little bit more. I'm sure everyone has a certain political side or something.
It's hard
they
to be
might end
completely
up leaning
neutral
towards
when
one
you're
side.
involved.
You'll have an
But
opinion.
It's better.
It's how
than-
you present it. If you
Yeah.
give it an opportunity दूसरी साइड की भी बात सुनने को, like ये नहीं कि आप सिर्फ आप ही सही हो, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. That's why I said Rajya TV, because it's people on the ground. It's a government controlled channel obviously, but the discussions include people
Very
from
neutral.
different forms of life who will give you relevant information. अच्छा ऐसा हो क्यों रहा है, लेट मी रिमूव इमोशन. अच्छा ऐसा इसलिए बोल रहे हैं, हिस्टोरिकल वो क्या है. फॉर मी मोस्ट एन्यूमरेटिंग डिस्कवरी ऑफ द लास्ट 2-3 years हैज बीन राज्यसभा टीवी, बिकॉज हमारे लोग, हमारे इंडियंस बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं हमारे वो इश्यूज जो अगर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस करूँ तो इमोशनल हो जाएंगे, दोस्तों के साथ बात करूँ तो वेल यू नो तुम देख ही चुके हो. That kind of thing.
But
राज्यसभा टीवी पे अगर चिल्लाने लग गए ना तो इट विल बी क्वाइट ब्लेटेंट हो जाएगा ना फिर गवर्नमेंट के लिए भी, कह रहे यार ये तो दूसरा अर्नब गोस्वामी आ गया.
Yeah, because that's the thing, na. Rajya TV has survived before and after all of those things, na. It belongs to the Council of States, so yeah. Akash,
anyway,
second topic क्या था भाई?
we'll see how India's new privacy laws work out. Let's move on to the next topic. The Trump cocktail has made its way to India. Regeneron.
Yes.
So who is thinking of taking it? The new COVID cure It's worked for
Man,
Trump
और-
apparently.
First of all, it somehow seems like Trump के बाल या कुछ है उसमें when you say Trump
Yuck.
cocktail. It just seems like some weird. वो-
You told me the
Remember Harry
news
Potter
channels
में-
called it, na?
हैरी पॉटर में वो चेम्बर ऑफ
Polyjuice,
सीक्रेट्स में
Polyjuice,
पॉलीजूस
Polyjuice.
लेके उनको वो करना पड़ता है. मुझे वैसा लगता है लाइक वो कि वो ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. बट या when I first heard it, I found it extremely funny कि they said 84-year-old has Trump cocktail. I read that as something else completely.
Trump cocktail.
I read that in a very ashleel way. Then I went and saw
As you always do. Anyway.
they said, see, for me it was like the same thing. When I saw कि टीवी में जब मंत्री लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन मिल रहा है मतलब ठीक है. तो अगर यूएस वाले लोग अपने प्रेसिडेंट को देख सकते हैं तो मतलब सेफ ही होगा. Was my first thought when I saw it. तुम लोग बता दो भाई तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
I mean, safe तो होगा, but I have a huge objection. ये मीडिया उसको ट्रम्प कॉकटेल क्यों बुला रहा है? It's such a bad way of.
Because he took it, no.
He didn't
Yeah,
make it
but
though. It's
It's
like
excellent marketing. Though. It's
associating-
excellent marketing though. Come on. It's excellent marketing. Whoever is making
It
this
is.
whoever is making this disease, whoever is making this cure
Disease.
is like going to be whoever is making this cure is definitely going to
Kevin, you're
Kevin,
on mute.
तेरा-
Kevin तेरा mic mute पे है.
thank God he must have said something.
I said Amrit. I was going to say Amrit. You're going into very controversial areas.
नहीं, but say for example, Amrit, tomorrow
Cool.
Trump cocktail कोई कह रहा है, and if it didn't work for them,
Then they'll blame Trump.
Yeah.
can they
Obviously.
blame Trump?
No, they can't, but they will. Twitter में
That's
जाके as we said,
that's why
Twitter
I
में
hate
जाके.
media.
They'll
ये
blame
Trump
Regeneron
cocktail ये सब
only.
करते हैं ना, it's such
And
a-
media is us, yaar. We whatever
Yeah,
is
I know.
catchy only we hang on
But,
to. हम कितना hate
Does
करेंगे
anyone
media को?
does anyone know the efficacy rate of this the oral cocktail medicine, whatever?
Oh,
What's the
okay.
efficacy rate?
No, but there's
Oh,
no efficacy
you
rate for
asshole.
it's not a vaccine, right? It's not. There's no efficacy
No,
rate.
it's not. I thought that, but I'm sure there's must be some
Okay.
stats.
The
or
literal
associated
thing
with
is
this,
कि
how this effective this
Regeneron
is.
को अगर आप mild to moderate case
Yeah.
में 7 दिन के
It's-
अंदर लो तो then बहुत relief मिलता है और oxygen
That's what
support
I
नहीं
read.
चाहिए होगा.
Yeah.
But
Like,
numbers नहीं पता
DR
मुझे, इसके numbers हैं?
since
Have
we
they
got-
It's the
released
same thing
numbers?
as the D2G
No.
जो हमारे DRDO ने निकाला है. It's a very
DRDO ने
great
निकाला
thing. जो हमारा sachet में आता है उसे powder form में लो. It's helped a lot of people and it's been it's a very good thing कि indigenous solution हमने बनाया है उसके लिए. Indigenous scientific solution जो हमने बनाया है that will work for.
Didn't Patanjali
Can
also
we-
release something similar?
I was about to say, since we got Trump cocktail, can we send Coronel to US? It is like,
Kevin,
you know,
लोग ला रहे हैं
this
by
is
the
how you
way.
build a bridge.
I know people who got when they are taking Coronel.
Yeah, I know. UP government gave 1 lakh Coronel to people who have COVID. I'm like,
Yeah, I
okay,
don't have
very
a problem
good
with Coronel. I have a problem with the
तो
way
if
they market it.
if उनका immunity improve होता है तो क्या दिक्कत है?
नहीं, my
It should
problem
just
is the
not be
way they-
marketed as better than
Exactly.
allopathy is my issue.
Yeah, that's my issue.
Exactly.
They should not promote कि भाई that's the end all be all medicine for
Yeah,
coronavirus.
वरना यार natural medication holistic होता है अच्छा
Exactly.
होता है but
I'm the thing is that if you see, there are a lot of areas in India, or like a big part of India is still not educated enough to judge these things, right? So that's where it's more worrying that, like, you know, coronal can easily be a very like it can distract us, like it can mislead someone.
but I think
into
enough
thinking
of
that Coronal is the
vaccine का भी
medicine to
campaign
take.
काफी strong चल रहा है
Yeah.
Kevin. I think on the ground it's not कि
See-
vaccine
See, no, I don't think so. Rajasthan mein, I am currently in area and working in the area, and
I do not
majority
think you should be
people
giving
in
your
the
location
villages
out
have
like
no
this.
idea.
It's not safe for you right now.
Nah, it's okay. No, I haven't given where I live.
I'll bleep it out.
But
Don't
not
worry.
a single,
अब तो
Carry on.
trace कर
guys, not
सकते
a
हैं
single
trace
person,
Kevin, carry on.
not a single person knew how to
register.
register for vaccine. Neither do they know anything about vaccine, about 2 doses or 1 dose. I had to sit and teach everyone how to register. So I don't think they have done a good job at it. It wasn't done like how polio did. Polio was done probably in the best
but
way.
polio
I think
का-
no one in the world has been
polio
able to
also
achieve.
was
सालों से
time
साल
था ना
चल रहा है.
भाई.
It's a pretty old
Time था
thing.
ना बहुत उनके पहले. It was a institutional awareness
Like the
about the
way-
disease
see-
also, no?
Exactly. Polio started how, like, you know, they like polio's vaccination program started with like stage shows and on the road shows and things like that to reveal
Yeah,
people. They did
Kevin,
musicals
polio was a
to make people
okay.
aware of it.
Now, if you look at it in Indian context, polio is a disease which not only do the people know about it, the government had time to prepare for it. Sometimes हम moment में भी capture हो जाते हैं. This started just 2020 last year January में.
अरे
It-
पोलियो
and
के लिए बहुत टाइम से
No,
वो
I'm
चल
not
रहा है
saying-
पोलियो वैक्सीन
No, no, I did not. I'm not.
Those campaigns
saying
can't be the
that
same.
polio की
But
तरह-
definitely you're right. The penetration
No, I'm
among
not
the
saying-
rural areas
I'm
should be
not
much
saying-
higher of vaccine
Yeah,
awareness.
it is not there. There is no
No,
penetration.
it cannot be there.
These guys
How
don't
do
know
you
how to go
expect?
to a website and access.
कोरोना वायरस
They
इज
don't
नॉट
know how to-
प्रिविलेंट अभी जाके हुआ है रूरल एरिया में इट वाज ऑलवेज अ अर्बन थिंग राइट फर्स्ट वेव में
Honestly, नहीं भाई रूरल एरिया में बहुत ज्यादा हुए तो
अब हुआ है ना?
victims
अब
over there.
Kevin first
हुआ है,
wave के
Kevin.
There are more victims because for 40 kilometers and 30 kilometers they don't have good hospitals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but Kevin, this is a
Whereas
second
urban
wave.
area,
In
they
second
were
wave में
there.
too.
first wave
it
का
was
Kevin
not a rural.
the numbers are already out.
Exactly.
First wave was completely majority urban related. Second wave में as workers
Yeah,
and everyone
absolutely.
have gone down, it has increased. So you are absolutely correct कि हमें 1.5 साल में at least उन areas में जैसे whatever name you said, I didn't hear
कुछ
what
तो
you said.
पहुंचाना था.
वहाँ all those places में inner parts में अगर नहीं
And
पहुंचा,
this is not
it's not good.
This is not even rural.
Huh?
This is not even the area that I am talking about is not even rural Rajasthan.
Okay.
Okay, so there are a lot more areas that are way worse than
But how
that.
did we end up on vaccine from
then-
Trump cocktail?
Kevin.
It's all related.
I mean, it's under the same.
all
topic
related,
of
don't worry.
discussion.
It's all related.
It's
But-
all COVID.
But
Kevin,
now,
no.
Kevin,
Kevin,
instead
what
of
do you think
vaccine,
about?
there
No,
is
I
a
want to hear
cocktail.
his opinion. I want to hear his opinion about Trump cocktail. Kevin, what do you think? Will you have a Trump cocktail if given?
Hey, he already वो defeat कर चुका है
No.
COVID.
Hey, Kevin, throw some Jack Daniels in there. It's a
Oh, that's
proper
true.
cocktail, man. Take it.
No,
But,
I'm
Can I put?
My
my
some-
only
question
thing
is-
is if it's actually
Can I-
working, then great. जितने हो सके बांट दो सारे.
Why
if
वो
it's actually
84-year-old uncle?
Akash,
That
I'll-
84-year-old
Akash, I'll
uncle,
put
first
some
patient,
cowpies
he's
in.
healthy now.
working. अरे but
No,
Trump-
I don't want to go by that one headline.
Yeah, there's
COVID
just one
की ऐसी है
person.
कि even
अबे।
102
Trump is also fine. Trump is also fine. हर जगह जाके बोल तो रहा है कि अगले election में चलेगा.
He's the president. He's probably guarded, so he doesn't have to do any of that shit, get it out in the public and everything.
Exactly.
But okay.
This is the same guy who talked about who was against the vaccine in the first place, first time when it came. The idea came, right? He said, "I don't
अरे
think we need
वो
vaccine."
सब तो
And
वो तो
then he changed that
politicians तो कुछ भी
perspective.
बोल
This is the
सकते
same
हैं.
guy.
4 दिन बाद वो मास्क पहन के बाहर आ गया था दिखाने के लिए. बट द थिंग ये सब तो अरे क्या अब ठीक है हम जब तक बाय द टाइम वी डिसाइड कि पॉलिटिशियंस ने कितनी गलत चीजें करी है ना हम मर जाएंगे. तो वो अभी डोसेज बता देता आकाश 60,000 पर का अराउंड 59 या 60,000 का एक डोज चल रहा है अभी इसका. और मुंबई में भी 5 लोगों ने उठाया है 60,000 का वो एंटीबॉडी कॉकटेल. अच्छा ट्रम्प कॉकटेल भी एंटीबॉडी कॉकटेल भी बोल रहे हैं. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. और
Only
40 साल के
kidney-
लोग को दिया है. 74-year-old किडनी फेलियर पेशेंट, 79-year-old डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंशन एंड क्रॉनिक फिलेरियोसिस वाली पेशेंट को भी मिला है. वाओ वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. 60,000 के डोज 5 और लोगों को मिले हैं. सो आई थिंक it's anything positive at this point,
Exactly.
regardless of I know how we
Why
But-
don't-
is a very good thing.
My
It's a good
question
sign
is
of hope.
to Amrit and Kevin, will you guys, if you guys have the option, will you guys go for the Trump?
See, I have told मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझसे आज मुझसे पूछ रहे थे तो मैंने बोला कि देखो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक वैक्सीनेशन एनी टाइम सून अनलेस जब तक पीपल ऑफ मेरे अराउंड जो एज ग्रुप के वो है उन सबको नहीं मिलता वैक्सीनेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग बिकॉज यंगर हूँ. आई हैव थैंकफुली टेकन केयर ऑफ हेल्थ लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स. मैं डू नॉट नो कब क्या होगा बट पहले दे शुड गेट इट क्योंकि शॉर्टेज तो है अभी कुछ भी कहो तो मेक
But
श्योर
Trump
द पीपल
cocktail, I don't think इतनी available है कि we have an option कि if we
Yeah, I
हमें
do not.
Trump cocktail
नहीं,
ही चाहिए.
No, but I'm just
Yeah,
saying if
you-
it was
you-
offered to
you-
them.
Oh,
would
you
they go
meant
for
Trump
the-
cocktail?
I just
no,
think
no,
that
no,
we-
I wouldn't.
If it was
I'd
offered
rather,
to
Instead of
I'd,
drum
I'd
cocktail,
rather fund somebody who needs it.
Mhm.
जिनका solve हो सकता है अगर उससे that I may be.
I would rather
Kevin.
I would rather get the Pfizer vaccine over here, even though it costs 2,000 per dose. I would be happily like it is better than Trump cocktail. And
अभी
things
Trump
like
cocktail
that
is
that
after you have already
may
gotten it.
work or may
तुम्हें
not work.
बीमारी हो चुकी है और पहले 7 दिन के
Yeah,
अंदर
it's a
अगर माइल्ड हुआ तो
treatment.
है.
It's not a
Yeah,
vaccine.
Treatment है.
Kevin-
ये नहीं
Kevin-
तुझे वैक्सीनेशन
Kevin and
नहीं है.
Amrit can
So I
take
think-
it. There are 2 COVID patients.
आकाश मेरे लिए ऑलरेडी टू लेट हो चुका है. मेरे 2
Yeah.
बार अलग अलग सिम्टम्स आ चुके हैं तो मेरे केस में मुझे वो नहीं है.
Anyway, we'll
But
see.
Yeah,
It's only
let's
for
hope.
it's only for rich people by the way. It's
Yeah.
not going to be 60,000
No,
rupees
हाँ,
का एक
इंसान है.
Yeah.
इंसान है जिसको
Akash,
मिले
Amrit
अच्छी
and
बात
Kevin.
I'll be okay with Akash.
Let's move on to more
किसी-
positive
किसी को-
news.
It is
Even more
positive news
positive.
only, Akash.
No,
It is
even
positive.
more positive news. I
More
said more
positive.
positive news. I said more positive news.
Fair.
हाँ, तो
Amazon buys MGM. I don't know if this is positive news or not, but still, but this is a way to see. It's positive actually for me. James Bond series will be on Amazon.
या प्राइम वीडियो पे आएगा
Movies
ना
released on streaming. Finally, some more good movies being released.
I'm
on
shocked
streaming.
how
Maybe.
come people are not opposing it.
What do you mean? Why would they oppose it?
People who don't like capitalism, monopoly, ये सब, I mean that's the perfect
अबे
go, right?
स्ट्रीमिंग में वो सारी चीजें हट जाती है स्ट्रीमिंग में हैप्पीनेस है कि प्राइम कनेक्शन के साथ फोकट का
No,
मिलेगा
wait,
सारा
because if you think about it, Amazon, you name the industry, Amazon is there now. You name the
Yep.
industry, Amazon is there. So now
My thing is
technically
this,
people should be
if you were in an advantageous position, sometimes people say कि जब पैसे आते हैं जब लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तुम करते हो ना वो अमीर है वो क्यों नहीं स्प्रेड करेगा अपने टेंटिकल्स like why
No,
would he
I-
stop
I'm in complete support. मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. But like
नहीं
in
मैं तेरी
India
बात नहीं कर रहा I'm saying in general
No, it is a worry. I mean, it can be a worry. I mean, if
I'm not
they
saying it's
start
not a worry
owning
I'm
a
saying
lot
people
of
who
it,
just don't understand it at all कि ऐसा कर क्यों रहे हैं वो उनको
people
नहीं करना
don't
चाहिए
care.
obviously
As Amrit said, because अगर उनको end of the day उनको
But how
benefit
can you
मिल रहा है.
stop though? At the end of the day, how are you going to stop if two companies want to? I
Government
mean,
can stop
there are
it.
if one
see
company wants to
वो
sell
होता है ना कि
anything,
like तुम monopoly
part of the process.
monopoly legislation हो सकती है कि ज्यादा इनके हाथ में वो है some controls can be put on which how
हर
much of
country के
service
पास
they
power
can
है
do
वो.
हर country has enough power the point is
Yeah.
these companies have enough power to twist that
I mean,
vote
Disney
as well.
bought Fox.
No.
No one
I mean,
argued against that.
if government actually wants to break down Amazon, they will do it.
there is
Microsoft
there is a
it.
yeah but
Oh,
there's a reason why they are not able to do it also no वो
They
भी
did.
वेले थोड़ा ना बैठे वहाँ पे
No,
उनको भी
because they
log
know end of the day it is going to help MGM. I mean, end of the day when companies
It's a
buying
bailout.
out,
At the end,
it's a bailout for them, right? It's not
It's
At
the
the
same
end of the
for the
day-
Disney Fox. The government allowed it. It was a bailout for Fox. They weren't performing.
exactly.
at the end of the day, a lot of election campaigns are also sponsored by
yes
these
but
big
हम बात
companies.
करें Amazon के बारे में Amazon
Yes,
की
yes.
कौन कौन सी
Away
picture
from the politics.
Not me.
इसको 3 सेकंड का मौका है तू इसके साथ डिस्कस करता है हर बार why do you think I never engage on camera but anyways Akash what all
Okay,
movies are we
to-
getting in this
To
new service
list the movies, yes. So James Bond, as I
A
mentioned,
politician.
James Bond, Kevin Legally Blonde as well will be on their own.
Okay.
Yeah,
Pink
you
Panther.
said
Why are you
Akash.
calling?
Yeah, you said Kevin.
You said Kevin legally
I thought
blonde.
Kevin would like Legally Blonde. I thought. Okay, Pink Panther. Everyone likes Pink
Kevin
Panther.
liked someone legally blonde
What rubbish. Rocky Balboa series.
Hmm?
The Poltergeist.
seen-
Kevin. You haven't seen the Rocky movies? Rocky movies are, all of them apart from one are decent. Good.
boxing
नहीं देखे मैंने.
Watch it.
I think one is also good. One is fine.
No, one is good. One was Oscar nominated. I mean, one is
Oh.
probably the best one.
no what a big deal na Akash
Yeah, like Sacha Baron Cohen, Amrit. He also. Anyway, RoboCop, Raging Bull, another great movie.
अच्छा बेसिकली जेम्स बॉन्ड के बाद कुछ काम का नहीं है वाइकिंग्स है इसमें
Not like
और
marquee
देखने दो।
title. James Bond is the
Yeah.
crown jewel of
तो
that.
बेसिकली एमजीएम को पता था और कुछ बनाया
Silence
नहीं
of
है
the
हमने
Lambs, Hannibal Lecter, all these are.
oh wait
That's also. But
okay
James
never
Bond is the
mind
crown jewel.
I take back all disrespect I had Silence of the Lambs is a
I think
all-time great movie
And
I think the older. I think Akash in 90s they were even more
yeah, Gone with the
powerful,
Wind. They made
compared to current.
they made Gone with the Wind, which is probably the biggest movie. If you count for inflation, I think it's the highest earning movie still. Gone with the Wind.
yeah but does it have Avengers
No,
fair
Yeah. Does it have Robert Downey Jr.?
no. But like Amrit mentioned before off the podcast, they also own Fargo, Vikings.
एक
and all
minute.
like that.
Just there's a very interesting news इसी deal में. Apparently MGM doesn't own the full rights of Bond series.
What
but
Sony
they're
as well.
saying see
So there's a
Amazon
different
won't
party. Name कुछ
Eon
Bab-
Productions Eon Productions होने चाहिए
पता नहीं, but they have the ultimate control over the franchise. So
see because James Bond is made by something called the Eon Productions or something they make only James Bond movies तो उनका एक वो है that used to be a question जो हम हर बार क्विज में आता रहता था
because I read
एक
somewhere
कौन सी
कि
movie
it's
है,
MGM's
But
Amazon-
ownership of it's with
Amazon-
Babla
I
Broccoli.
Arnav, would Amazon buy something if they couldn't stream it? Like, I'm assuming the entire catalog will come, right?
It
I
could
mean,
be
the
the
region
next
block
year.
होगा।
intention क्या थे?
Region
Intention
block
क्या थे
का
buy
होगा।
करने के? Is it just for the IP sake then I'm sure
Yeah,
they have
because
figured that
the
part
article the article said that उनको अपना कैटलॉग को और वो करना है to compete with Netflix and
Yeah.
Disney.
out. अब तक वही
From
news में आ रहा है कि the
Variety-
whole intention
See,
was
James
because
Bond is a huge legacy pick,
Yeah.
in my opinion. See,
Huge
who in America, who has Marvel? Sorry, the Avengers का entire series.
but don't you think James
Disney.
Bond has fallen quite a lot in past
Disney.
नहीं भाई
10
core ना
10 years?
नए लोगों में तब भी अगर कम है, but with Amazon pushing it, हमारे जनरेशन, I would love to watch it repeatedly as many
James
times as
Bond has still, at least in the UK, it's very popular still.
Yeah,
भाई,
UK
यहाँ
it's
पे
quite
भी
popular.
But America
Yeah.
also, when I was shocked when we went to Skyfall and all those, they packed cinemas. Cinemas were packed. And then
हाँ भाई,
Bond,
James
which I
Bond is
thought
a
was
popular
dying.
brand. अरे
I don't
हमारे
think that was
जनरेशन के
the
लोगों के लिए that was the spy movie, that the
Yeah,
last of the great old spy movies. वो है, बच्चों के लिए शायद उतना ना हो, but
Not-
हमारी
yeah.
जनरेशन के लोग are
What
the
about
movie
the
watching.
interview?
We are also the kind generation of people who can afford those streaming services also.
Yep.
So
James Bond is nothing compared to Interview.
The interview is not owned
Yeah,
by
movie.
MGM, Kevin, so we shouldn't talk about the
what movie is
interview.
that? कौन सी picture है?
The Seth Rogen and James
James
Franco, the
Franco.
one where they made about North Korea. They got death threats and the whole thing. There was a whole
Oh, okay.
political thing. Kevin, you always related to
He
politics
got,
some way.
he-
Okay.
क्या तूने नॉर्थ कोरिया
No.
तूने नॉर्थ कोरिया को
the
भी नहीं
scene-
छोड़ा यार, come on.
The scene in which Seth Rogen को बोलते ना, your ass, man. Like where they put like a pin, like
They
the
put a
sensor
Oh,
up his ass.
was that the one जिसमें शुरुआत में Eminem का scene है?
Eminem comes out as gay or
Yeah.
something in the.
But imagine
Mm.
ये companies seems like it. I don't know behind the scenes क्या scene है, but people are saying कि they have just paid $9 billion for the
Yeah.
सारा legacy
Bus.
content. $9
So,
billion
bus.
for it.
So yeah, that's why I think that
Didn't
must
somebody
have
say कि
got the
that
James
guy
Bond
is like
rights, but
a
that's the crown
trillion?
jewel.
सबसे अमीर कौन है? ये जेफ बेजोस है या अपना मस्क है?
Jeff.
Jeff again has come up again.
Abhi Jeff is back on one.
अरे
Right.
यार, इलॉन मस्क कितना दुखी होगा ना,
It's
उसका पैसे कम हो
it's
गए.
basically
अबे तुम अगर कमेंट्स में देखो ना, कमेंट्स में देखो लोग बोल रहे हैं, ओह झंड हो गई इलॉन मस्क, अब तू सेकंड रिचेस्ट है.
बहुत ठंड
and it's a very narrow difference.
Kevin,
It's a very narrow
it doesn't
difference.
matter if you're on that list. That
Yeah, it
means
doesn't matter.
on that list or anybody in the top 10,000 of that list should not have an issue.
लोगों जो फैंस होते हैं उनको ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है, उन बंदों को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता होगा.
Yep.
They don't give a damn about कि कौन वन है कौन सेकंड पे है. But
That's like
Anyway.
NBA में जब
I think it's
Chris
basically
Middleton misses a
basically
shot,
the stock price.
everyone says 180 million wasted.
उनके अकाउंट में 180 मिलियन भी नहीं होते ना.
180.
सॉरी 180 मिलियन नहीं, $180 भी नहीं होते.
मैं बोलने वाला था अर्नब के कौन से अकाउंट में इतने पैसे हैं? अर्नब अगर तेरे अकाउंट में उतने पैसे है ना, and we are doing this rubbish podcast no,
सच
and
में।
you have not given us.
अरे मैं भी तो उसकी
180
तरह वो जो बडन जो भी नाम था सब लेके भागने का प्लान है ना.
Anyway,
अबे
moving
या
on.
उसका एक अपडेट है, there is a news
हाँ,
update for that.
that's more
उन दोनों, the other two have now started their own podcast. No, own YouTube. They have started their own YouTube channel, which already has in 2 days 80,000 subscribers. So shame on us. But
Akash,
yeah,
see, तुझे केविन और मुझसे थ्रेट नहीं है. We are not going to start our own podcast for sure. Amrit can, by the way.
Amrit already has his own podcast.
Amrit already has his own podcast.
उसमें nearly 100 episode हो चुके. That has more episodes than this. और वो मेरी wife के साथ है. But yeah.
So Amrit is a threat. उसको कम share
Yeah,
कीजिए.
I am threatened. I am the one threatened on that podcast. मुझे निकाला जा सकता है. So I can be removed.
But anyway, moving from one entertainment news to the other, did anyone watch the Friends reunion?
No.
भाई मैंने
Oh.
फ्रेंड्स नहीं देखा. Reunion क्या देखूंगा?
So I watched the Friends reunion.
No, you watched.
It came on TV here. I watched it.
How was it?
It's a reminiscing, Kevin.
How do you
It
like
was
it?
not like
Yeah,
it's just
exactly.
reminiscing. It's you hear some news like if you're interested in that all that thing like personal news that David
तो
Schwimmer
क्या-
and Jennifer Aniston actually had crushes on each other and unfortunately they could not make it work because
What?
one of them was always in a relationship. They admitted to
Who
that.
cares?
Yeah, exactly.
Is that news?
But
Wait,
yeah, that's
is
for
it for
a lot
PR?
of celebrity news. No, apparently this is they said
These people are rich, yeah.
that this
These
could
people
be
are
a
getting
PR
royalty.
move as well.
This show is still trending top 10 in India,
अरे,
bro.
but अमृत पैसे का प्यार से क्या लेना देना?
Okay, but also, yeah, exactly,
मैं
Amrit.
प्यार क्यों नहीं कर रहा? मगर नहीं, he said कि मगर ये reunion, I thought reunion means they'll announce
Isn't-
movie बना रहे हैं
They
उसके
got
something.
paid 2.5 million each for this as well.
That's nothing for them, यार. वो तो क्या?
No, but no,
उनका
that's
net-
a lot for us, babe. That's
Yeah,
a
I
lot
think-
for us.
I
We
think-
paid that
For us,
much
I
for
think
that.
Jennifer Aniston's like
Akash.
I think Jennifer Aniston's net worth is like 400 or
No,
500
okay.
million.
So I think they released as well.
Yeah.
I think last year they made 1 billion. The series made 1 billion, and these guys get, I don't know, 2-3% cut of
भाई
that. Which
पैंडेमिक में
each-
तो सबने
That's it?
इतना देखा है ये शो.
I think so.
How much do they get?
2-3% cut of that.
बेशरम लोग.
1
Divided among them क्या?
Yeah.
No, each of
अबे-
them get 2-3%.
Oh, अच्छा, each 2-3%. Then it's
Each
fine.
of them.
I thought कि पूरा 2-3% divide
No,
कर
no,
दिया.
not
पर
divided. Each of
अर्नव
them.
1 billion का 2% कितना होगा बे?
अमृत,
so
we
much.
cannot compare अपने को अपने लिए. Everything is a big amount.
Yeah.
आकाश भी वही कि
मतलब
it's big for us.
तुम सब
obviously.
It's too big
ऐसे
for
बोल रहे हो जैसे चार. मुझे पता है कि कंफर्टेबल है सब. इतना कोई अमीर नहीं बैठा यहाँ पे जो बॉन्ड बन रहे हो कि मिलियन आए तो हंसोगे.
But still-
And
no, but
अब
so
नहीं,
don't sleep.
अमृत
Kevin,
actually
honestly-
मिले ना तो हंसूंगा ही मैं तो कि I don't even deserve it.
Yeah, and then I would cut the call and go spend the million instead of being. That would happen
Kevin,
first.
I would say watch it since you're also a huge Friends fan. I'd say give
Yeah.
it a watch.
I'm going to
It's-
watch it at some
Yeah,
point.
it's not long.
Is it only one episode,
It's just
Akash?
no, yeah, it's just one episode. It's like that Fresh Prince reunion thing. Exactly like that. Just one episode.
उसका भी
They all
reunion
just-
हुआ.
Yeah, they had a reunion as well. Some time ago.
तो उसमें
But,
होता क्या? वो सब मिलते हैं और बोलते हैं कि अब
They
हम
just talk
ये
about
लोग-
how the series, what they were thinking at that time. All
यार
the-
मोनिका की
their
शक्ल
experience.
बदल गई ना.
अमृत
Yeah, she
इसलिए
had a
कि
lot of
अपन
plastic surgery.
अपन 10 साल बाद अपना रियूनियन हो रहा है कि अपन सब बताएंगे किसका किस पे क्रश था. So the same thing. Publicly we will announce it.
Shit,
तो
man,
फ्रेंड्स में ऐसा
Kevin-
change किया है.
Kevin, I can't say it.
I
I'll be
won't say
safe,
anything
Kevin.
at all at
Don't
that
worry.
reunion. क्या हुआ?
But-
मैंने कुछ बोला? मैंने तो कोई ऐसे खास रहा था गले में हंसी आ रही थी मुझे.
I was saying I'm gonna have a crush on Kevin. है ना, Kevin?
That's already out in open, Akash.
Exactly.
वो कोई
Hey,
secret
before
नहीं
Kevin
है.
falls asleep, wrap this up.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep Kevin awake.
Akash partial.
Asshole. No, forget the crush.
I mean, what?
In
What-
other news, I'll just mention shortly. Netflix is coming into gaming as well. Apparently,
वो मैंने क्या
They-
ये आकाश को बता क्या
they
हुआ इसमें?
they
मुझे
have
idea नहीं है
hired
इसका.
some big gaming executives in the gaming market to
क्या करने के लिए?
to apparently transition into. It's going to be interesting to see in what context they will, because they already have certain gaming things already. If you call it like there's this Bear Grylls thing, TV show on there, and you get to choose what he does. You can say, okay, I want you to eat this snake, or I want you to do this, and whichever one you choose, it'll go to that storyline kind of thing. I think
Yeah,
they
What
also
is it
have
on?
People experimenting.
Yeah,
Netflix
so I
पे
think
ही है.
Netflix pay, and I think it was the other one. What was it? Bird Box? No, it was another one. I can't remember.
Man versus
Not-
Yeah,
Wild.
Bird Box is
Man
the
was-
Sandra Bullock
No,
one.
No,
no,
yeah, Bird Box-
Black Mirror
that was
में
a
था.
good show.
Black Mirror में था. You
Black
could make
Mirror maybe
choices.
Black
as well.
Mirror.
You can make
Black Mirror.
choices. Yeah.
So
Black
it's
Mirror
more
choices.
interactive. Like you can actually
More
choose
interactive.
कि तुम
So,
based on your
yeah.
answers, it will give you a storyline.
But it's like
Oh,
one
like
of those
that
books.
game. Oh, वैसी वाली
No,
gaming.
I
Oh,
think it will
okay.
be more into that. I don't see them coming into proper gaming that way. But
Yeah.
I mean, they're hiring big gaming executives, so
भाई
that
2K21
were
क्या
involved in it.
बकवास गेम है.
that's why I was iffy on buying it, Amrit, as well when you bought it.
No, it's the
When I
same
read
thing
reviews.
as the other one. There is no difference. I
Wait,
knew
what
it,
is
but
the
I still
difference
have
in-
bought it.
What is the difference in FIFA's? All of them. It's the same
That's why I
thing.
don't play it. But in that moment of hesitation, you took advantage of my good nature and made me buy it. But yeah, anyways.
Also, now we'll see what Netflix does in the world of gaming.
I feel sport games get repetitive.
Yeah, that's why I
Yeah,
don't
Kevin.
Then
buy.
you just buy it
For
because
for you because you suck at them.
That's why I don't buy sports games like every year. I wait for a long time and then buy the next.
I haven't bought.
Yeah, Amrit hasn't bought only. But anyway, also I want to mention before we end this podcast, we'll have a special episode of a gameplay which Amrit is going to do. He's going to be playing through the Resident Evil 7 Biohazard game because he loves horror so much, and I'm forcing him to do it. So
Yes.
keep your eyes out on YouTube for that.
बिल्कुल.
at Bele Pod.
हमारे सैटरडे संडे काम से छुट्टी ले ये करते हैं हम.
Yes, exactly. Play games. Thank you for
Dhanyavad.
listening to this episode of the Vele Podcast, guys. As usual, we are available on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify. You can also find us on YouTube, as I mentioned. Keep a eye out for that Resident Evil 7 playthrough with Amrit.
आप बस सुनते
We'll all
नहीं
be
हो,
there as well.
यहाँ
हम
से
तो
मैं
डालते रहते
इतना
हैं।
लंबा इतनी एंड तक वो करके सबको बोल रहे हैं, बेशरम लोग सुनते भी नहीं है क्या यार, सोच लिया करो।
Until next time, guys, stop insulting the audience. Bye.
पालनेतकर जी बटन दबा दो।
Oh, अच्छा।
End कर।